down, you will not say our government is bad. Oh, the bad. They not pity this country. Politicians bad. They not sorry for this country. I say over the greetings, everybody. You are welcome to the Wounded Civilian, the Midwestern family program. I think we'll be having some technical problem here. Okay. You are welcome once again to the Wounded Civilian Classroom. In this place, we teach the people proper. The truth is our religion here. It's our responsibility to do whatever we can to help our people, because the way things are going in Nigeria now, politics and the way our youth reason these days, the things they do, the things they say, it is very clear that we are moving dangerously now to destruction if we don't correct these things. In this place, I go straight to the point. I just tell you the way it is. I might not be 100% right. You might not even like the way I am putting it, but that is the truth. Today is not really about Midwest, but it's about what is happening in my state, what is happening in our land, the Benin, and the politics. We'll still be talking about the political side. It is very important. So, invite your friends. But because what I'm about to say is very important. First, let me talk to my Edo people. You see, what we are seeing today in our state, or in Edo, or in Delta State, even in Nigeria as a whole, it is something we have never experienced before, where kids have no regard again for their elders. People, because this is the era or the time of social media, people just come on air and begin to insult their elders, disrespect their elders. All this nonsense started, you've seen kids disrespecting their elders when this terrorist group they call IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu and his gang started their fraud nonsense. They let their people know there is no need to respect elders, no matter what. There is no need to respect, to show respect, no matter what, their elders. Many have been brainwashed. Like I said, in this place is the truth. Ever before Nnamdi Kanu and his group, it is very difficult for kids. When you disrespect your elders and you have points, then I will understand, like, this is the reason you are disrespecting your elders. Not all elders are perfect. When you give us, when you say, okay, this is the reason why you are not happy, I will understand. Not when what you are saying, you are being stupid. You are stupid, and you think all will be well with you. You see, I am one of those who really campaigned for Governor Obaseki. I still kind of like him. And every reasonable person will support Obaseki. Not because we love Obaseki too much, but because we don't want godfatherism in our state. We want to make a change. We want to set the pace for others to follow. We just want to do the right thing. We don't want, although it's not Lagos, it means let the people decide. But ever since, some people want to turn this their maybe Togba into courts where they attack people who don't believe in the ideology. People like us said no. After the election, we said no. Election is over. We're all brothers and sisters. We must come together in one accord and build our states. But ever since, although their plan was to be attacking those who did not support Obaseki, we let them understand Obaseki is not a saint. With the way things are going now, Obaseki cannot stand up and say his government is better than the previous governors. He can't. Like I said, I like him. He's the best candidate to support during the Edo State governorship election. For your information, this program today is about Edo, Obaseki, and Benin Artifact. Then we'll later talk about these IPOB monkeys. In the beginning, I said, we don't used to see kids like, you can criticize your elders. There are limits. You must have some respect. There are many ways of criticizing elders. Not coming on air without any regard. Elders will go tomorrow. We will become the elders. We will not be happy seeing kids insulting us. You can disrespect and kind of criticize your elders. If you have points, good points, these are the reasons why. You can't be disrespecting elders that is not owing you a dime. The elders is not in the position to build road for you or build schools for you, build infrastructure, provide job for you. Whenever things are not good, things are not going well for us, it is the politician we voted for. They are the reason. They are the people we're supposed to cry to. We're supposed to criticize. We're supposed to fight and say, this is not what you promised us. There is this animal who claim is from Uromi. Now, I'm not happy. But we will not say it is all Isa. Because that boy is very clear. That monkey, that Chris boy, they call him, I don't know, I don't care to know his name. They said he's from Esan, but idiot like that don't speak for the Esan people. We know. I will thank God for the people from Esan land. They are all saying he is mad. You see, if you look at the video this boy made, this boy, you see the things he was saying. You will know that yes, this is one of the brainwashed animal in our Dikanu and this Apple group, brainwashed, mixed with Obaseki. I would say Obaseki nonsense. The Benin Artifact is not for Obaseki. It's not for state government or state government. It's not for Obaseki. The Benin Bronze or Benin Artifact, again, it's not for Obaseki to tie road. It's not for Obaseki to build good schools. It's not for Obaseki to provide job for Edo people. It's none of his business. No. When he was campaigning, he didn't say it is Edo bronze, the Benin bronze that is going to use to build Gelegele for you or to build hospital for you. Edo bronze is not about politics at all. It's not about politics. Don't mix it with politics. It's Edo bronze. When the British came to our land, they destroyed the empire and took this thing away. There was no Nigeria then. And they are bringing it now. A state governor. And the most, what part of it? This is a state governor from Edo. And there is a history, that his own father is part of the people that betrayed Edo before. He's supposed to use his brain as a governor. I'm talking to him like this because Obaseki is making a very big mistake. What happened in Edo now? What is happening now? It's a shame on our part. It's a big shame on our part. You know, the whole nation is aware. It's like the king and the governor is fighting over where they will keep the Benin artifact. What is the governor business when it comes to Benin artifact? Is it they took it from governor office? Is this the reason why Obaseki is the governor? They have been fighting for these things. How they will return these things. When Obaseki was still a baby, must he flex muzzles on Benin artifact stuff that to the extent his dogs now make video and be disrespecting a king that is not just a king, somebody old enough to be your father. This is not how to fight for whatever you are fighting. This is not fighting for freedom. No. There's nothing to fight here. He wants to be governor for the second time. He is the governor for the second time. Nobody's sharing the Edo State allocation with the governor. What are you flexing muscles for? They will not return this thing without the federal government. The Germans have made it clear. This thing, they put value on it. This is not what you can just give to governor. The president, the #1 citizen, the man that holds the power, the commander-in-chief of the country they are returning these things to, must be aware. That's the reason they call the president and they call the governor. The president, the federal government is not even flexing muscle. They are the one to keep it. They're not challenging the king over what they took from the palace. It's not fair. The truth is the truth. Oh, it is Edo Benin artifact now. The Obaseki needs now to tie road. It is the Benin. It is the Benin artifact Obaseki needs now to build Gelegele. Promise the people. It is the Benin artifact Obaseki now to build schools. The truth is bitter. This is a disgrace. This is a shame on us. The flexing muscles for. You want to behave now. You are the governor. You have power. That is it. You know. The truth is very bitter. Some monkeys on social media, they know that it was the palace, the king himself, who asked the federal government that if that is the case, keep this thing for now. Keep it for now. And see if Obaseki will not fulfill his campaign promise now. When the governor is telling us that his allocation, people are telling him to cut for them, to give them allocation money, to share allocation. I will understand. We will fight for governor. No, everybody leave allocation for him to work. If people are telling you, okay, the tax you are collecting from Edo, okay, share it with us. And I will understand. All these things, all this money you are collecting, security vote, if they ask to share it with them, I will understand. Since nobody is bothering you, you can't point at anybody now that is troubling you ever since you take over. What are you insulting the monarchs for? The truth is very bitter. What are you insulting the king for? What is, ever since you vote for Togba, if you are suffering, carry your stupid anger and face the governor who promised you heaven and earth. There is no reason whatsoever to be making video. It is when this animal, Nnamdi Kanu, came with this, their Biafra kids, they don't respect their traditional ruler in Igbo land. They threaten traditional rulers there. They insult their elders there. They insult everybody there. They are the one that is right. Others are wrong. If not because of we are the wounded sinner, they would have said, hey, we are Fulani people give. The truth is the truth. Obaseki needs to apologize to Edo people. Obaseki is the one dragging the name on the board. But now, drag him. Okay, go and challenge federal government now. Go and collect the thing from federal government now. Some stupid Edos. I don't even know if they are really Edos. They come on air making video. Fulani. You guys, may God punish all of you. If what you don't know, you keep your mouth shut. This is not about Fulani because you people are brain dead. This Igbo Nyamiri put Fulani in your head. Every time is Fulani. Fulani fools. It is the same Fulani that sold cows to that millionaire, that man in Igbo land that buried the mother recently, a few days ago. The same Fulani prepared sugar for them to eat. They didn't say it's Fulani. The animal in Adikanu that will probably rot in jail have been saying Fulani, ban cow, don't chop cow. But they said they slaughter over 500 cow for that burial. It's the same Fulani. The same Fulani, they slaughter 500 cow. Can't you see these people are hypocrites? I won't call them hypocrites because Igbos, reasonable Igbos, they don't give a shit with this kind of rubbish. Insulting headers. Like this monkey, we will not measure his name. It's too small to make it. It is Obaseki that is robbing, Obaseki need to apologize to the adults. He said, for now, Obaseki is a disgrace. I voted for him. I know, I won't say I voted for him. I campaigned for him. And I did a lot. I even went to the studio, record a song in his favor. I have right to criticize him when it comes to because what we are saying here, it is not your allocation. This is not the money you're supposed to use. These monkeys, these your talkback fools, these boys, these criminals. This is not the money you're supposed to use to. If, for instance, ever since you took over, can't you see what happened after the election? What do they call it? A palliative you're supposed to give to the people, at least to show that thank God, you were waving hand, thank Edo people. You didn't remember to give them the palliative. I came out here and I said, you are wrong. You are the same with these people we are fighting against for you to become the governor for the second time. This monkey now that is making this video, you have common sense. Ever since you are part of this talk about fools, why can't he give you a job? Because if you have a job, you'll not be talking this nonsense. But he's your governor. The federal government is not owing him. It is not Benin artifact he will use to provide job for you. Then you open on your phone, begin to talk to people. You have the goals. You have the goals. Your Obaseki, for instance, being the governor is not forever. But after governor, the governor must you create enmity. Oshomole will not behave like this. At least Oshomole will not behave like this. Oshomole will not behave like this. If the king said, okay, let keep this thing. This thing was taken from the palace. Taken from the palace, not from governor office. What are you flexing muscles for? What are you showing? Because they say governor is more powerful in the state. You are power. Is that what you want to show? Chop power now. Chop power. Now, the federal government, it might be maybe when we are asking for this thing another day, it might take time for the government to give it to us. I will blame Obaseki for this nonsense. I'm telling you, I will blame Obaseki for this nonsense. We talk about many things today. Let me play you this video of this our friend, of this our brother.
People, I want to speak this morning on some of the recent happenings on social media. A lot of people caught my attention to a video done by one, I would rather call him someone who is mentally deranged, Joker Boy. People have been calling me since yesterday to inform me of that video. And I went online last night to look at the video, and I was ashamed to even say that I am from the same local government from someone. The people of Esaland, the people of Uromi, we have huge respect for the great Oba of Benin. We have respect for the great. We don't insult our elders, let alone someone of the caliber of the Oba of Benin. Joker Boy, whatever he has done, whatever video he has made, whatever insults he has thrown towards the palace and the great Oba of Benin, he's on his own. He is completely on his own. The guy is completely mad. He's someone who should be in Selu. He's not fit, and he's speaking for himself. So please, I want to encourage my friends out there, encourage the Edo people, that you people should not take this thing as take him serious. I apologize to the great Oba of Benin. I apologize to my Edo friends, Benin friends, and every other person like me who feel embarrassed by that video. That video does not speak for Ishan people. It does not speak for Ishan people at all. Joker Boy is a madman, and he is speaking for himself. Nobody should take him serious. Nobody, I repeat, nobody, no serious person should take Joker Boy or whatever rubbish he's saying serious. He's speaking for himself. We have a long history. The people of Ishan land have a long history with the palace. We have a long history. If you go back to the history of an average Ishan man, you will see that our history is tied. So for one person to come out and take his mobile phone and begin to throw tantrums at the Oba of Benin, that person must be a person. No reasonable Ishan man, I repeat, no reasonable Ishan man would pick up his phone and do a video to insult the palace. We are not even known for insulting people. We are people who are known for respect. We are known for good conduct. I'm an Ishan man. You hardly ever see me insult anybody on Facebook, let alone insulting the Oba of Benin. The Oba of Benin is a respected traditional monarch, highly respected. So for someone like Joker Boy, who is not even fit to clean the shoe of the Oba, to come out and start throwing words at the Oba of Benin, at the palace, is reprehensible. It's completely reprehensible, and we will not take that. We will not take that at all. The Oba is highly respected by us, the people of Ishaland. We respect the Oba, we love the Oba, and we will not allow idiots like Joker Boy. Joker Boy does not represent Ishan people. Joker Boy does not speak for Ishan people. Joker Boy does not speak for the people of Ishaland. Joker Boy speaks for himself. And as far as I'm concerned, what Joker Boy has said is his own opinion, and he will be dealt with for expressing those kind of opinions against someone with the caliber and respect that the Oba carries. I want to apologize to every of my Benin friends, every one of you who are there, who have seen that video, who feel insulted. Please, when you see these kind of things, look at, there are still good Ishan people. There are still good Uromi people. There are still good people from Esa land that you can look at and say, oh, because of these people, because of this person, we ignore the rubbish that you just see. That video is a shame. The video is an embarrassment, not just to Joker Boy himself, but to the whole of the Esa land. To the whole of Esa land. Esa people does not insult our elders. Esa people, we do not insult elders. We are known for respect. When a Benin man even come to our place and we are doing ceremonies in our place and a Benin man is there, we give that Benin man the accord. We give the Benin man the respect to even break kola nuts. So whatever the idiots called Joker Boy have done, whatever video he has done against the palace, against the respected palace of the Oba, he's on his own. Joker Boy is an idiot. Nobody, no reasonable Asian person, should take him serious. Nobody from Edo State should take Joker Boy serious. I don't know what people smoke these days. You know, it's sad that we are in a society where drugs, cheap drugs have rendered a lot of people useless. You know, that now they can just get drugs for cheap, take it, and they think that everybody becomes their mate. And when they take drugs, they go online, the first thing they do is start making videos that they should ordinarily be ashamed of. So I don't know the kind of drugs that Joker Boy took. I don't know what he smoked. I don't know if it's Arizona or whatever he got his hands into. Joker Boy is a joker. And he should be taken like that. He should be saying like that. He doesn't speak for Asian people. He doesn't speak for Asian land. He is completely on his own. We the people of Esan, we have so much respect. We have so much love for the Oba of Benin. We respect the Oba of Benin so well. We love him so well. We have a history. We have an affinity to the palace. So, we are not known for disrespecting our elders. We are not known for disrespecting the palace. We will never disrespect the palace. We will not even disrespect our own brothers from Edo South. We will not disrespect our own brothers from Edo North. So, whatever an idiot who has been able to lay his hand on a mobile phone has done should not be seen as an endorsement from some people. I am an Asian man. I'm a proud Asian man. I love the Oba of Benin. I respect the Oba of Benin. I have huge respect for the Oba of Benin. Huge love for the Oba of Benin. I love the Oba of Benin and I respect the Oba of Benin. The issue of whatever it is that has to do with artifacts, it's not the business of the Asian people. It's not the business of the Asian people. I'm telling you, because the artifacts does not belong to the Asian people. So I don't see why one idiot will pick up his phone and start insulting the Oba of Benin. Even the governor did not send him to do that. He is not even speaking for the governor of Edo State. Whatever he has done on his own. On his own. He is not speaking for the Oba of Benin. He is not speaking for the governor. He is not speaking for Asian people. He is speaking from the drugs that he took. The drugs that he took motivated him to come out and say this kind of reprehensible words against the great Oba of Benin. Once again, let me apologize to everyone out there. Let me apologize to everyone out there. I apologize to the palace, to the great Oba of Benin. I apologize to my brothers from Edo South who feel offended by that video. We are so sorry. We, the people of Edo Central, are so sorry. Joker Boy is an idiot that should never, ever be taken.
We all know that that idiot, that boy, don't speak for Asian people. It's very clear. Animal like that don't speak for Asian people. Asian people, it's a land of professors, doctors, intelligent people. Look at him. Seeing that boy, you will know that he's mad, really. You will know that he's one of these hypo pig. The way he talks, you know, is one of these brainwashed fools. These hypo brainwashed fools. You will know. He was talking about what he was saying did not even make sense. Either he still thinks they are still campaigning. Election is over. Election is over. Obaseki want to be the governor for the second time. He is there. Let him walk. Let him go and walk. When he was campaigning, did he say for him to make build roads, build hospitals, give the people the dividend of democracy? Did he say it is the Benin artifact that is going to use when he was campaigning to give you infrastructure. Let it go. Election is over. All these things, must everybody support Obaseki? That's what I told them in the beginning. Obaseki was there when 2016, when Oshomole were singing, he's a Yamo, he's a criminal, all of he was there clapping. So if people can pay like them musicians in Edo sing, like them this man Maleke sing and say Obaseki is corrupt. After the election, they were trying to fight these people. Fighting them for what? I said I support Obaseki. I believe in freedom of speech. I believe in equal rights. It is campaign. They have right. Just like what is this man? All these people. I know they went too far. All these people that were on social media, people like what is this? Our brother in America ranting. I know they went too far. Election is over. Whatever everybody say during election, it's election. And it's not for one man, oh. You will become governor, not forever, oh. That's why I'm telling Obaseki followers. Don't intimidate people because the person you know is in power, oh. Them Kabaka, they were with the former governors, so thinking that they will become theirs forever. This is not you come online insulting a traditional, must we scatter everything because you are, I don't just understand. Or you both still they still respect their traditional role. Oba is not the one that will give you road. He's not the one that will give you road at all. That's the reason why people like us have to correct you animals, have to take people to psychiatric. Your governor you voted for, go and hold him, tell him to tie road. Traditional rulers, they have no power. Can't you see? Obaseki flexing muscle. The small power the king have. Okay, if that is the case, go and drag with the federal government. Obaseki, go and collect it with the federal government now. You go no say power pass power. Go and collect the artifact with the artifact is not yours. It's for the monarch, it's for the traditional ruler. They took it from the palace. Who do you think that because Obaseki reason this time around against the governor? And they said this artifact, your forefather was involved. Probably a very dubious role when they took this thing away. And thanks to the governor, now they are returning this thing and you're supposed to learn from what happened in the past. Hey, mellow down small now. Mellow down. Nobody have, like the president, Buhari have the power. Nobody question him. In the state, it is the governor. They have everything. They are the one in charge of almost, what are you insulting the traditional ruler for? And the idiot is from Uromi. When the king in Uromi was having problem, it is this same about Benin fight tooth and nail to make sure that man return back to his throne. Just open video, begin to talk to people. They said this, they are fighting for freedom. We just keep quiet. They turn everything upside down. No respect again. No respect. And these animals, give them community to control. They will destroy these animals. In Adikano and his gang and all these people they are brainwashing now. Give them under a group who they cannot even organize a group. These fucking animals. You don't on your phone and begin to talk to people. We will not tolerate this nonsense. Good or bad. Because we know if you are insulting the governor, we will understand. It's one that is the allocation monies with him. It's the one that all these taxes they are collecting in the state is him. He is the one in charge. What you blaming traditional rulers for? You don't have job. You be blaming like Enogi of Uromi or Enogi of Ugo or Enogi of those traditional rulers in the way they have traditional ruler in Aunshi, or the way they have traditional ruler in Esa. That's the way we have traditional ruler in Edo. We will not tolerate it. He's not the president. The traditional ruler in Edo is not the one. He's not the one selling. Oh, careful now. I will not tolerate. We criticize people that there are limits. That's the reason we must do whatever we can. We must bury IPO forever. Because if you look at the way these monkeys are talking, you know all this, they are brainwashed, all this talk, they got it from this IPOB nonsense. It is every day we must pray to make sure IPOB remain buried. After all, you can see the burial, how the people flex, they were flexing. Nobody give a shit of that monkeys. That monkey now, they can in jail. Will be playing you some videos today concerning that foolish boy. You see the way this animal was talking, you will know. And some idiot who promote this stupid saga on their whatever in social media, who insult themselves, people who insult their papa, insult their mama. This boy making video talking about Fulani, what do everything? It's not about Fulani at all. It is the king who said the federal government should hold it. If, for instance, tomorrow we are asking the government to return this thing back and they are saying no, we'll blame Obaseki for it. Obaseki should learn to respect, to show some respect. Election is over. Must everybody support you? It doesn't mean all traditional ruler in Edo or in Edo State must support you now. No, but everybody know it's election. Traditional ruler is human being like you. Now the one way you know say go better, now you go support. Must everybody support the Obaseki? What nonsense talk is this one? Well, I don't know how people get that belief that everybody must support Obaseki. And if who don't support Obaseki must die. You must insult everybody who don't. Any king, any traditional ruler, any Enogie don't support, they have the right. Even tell people don't to vote. Any Enogie have right to tell people don't vote for this man, vote for this one. It's their right. But we just say as a king, they should be neutral. The election is over. What did you still want? What did you still want that you come out, open your video and be insulting people? No. There's something we'll tolerate. There's something if we allow these things to continue like this, we all will regret it. The kind of Igbos, all these Igbos, they have no regard for their elders. Let them not promote this thing and push this thing to our land. We have regard for, we must respect elders. In Europe, here, they respect elders. Go to their public balls. For instance, you see elderly women, people, young people, they will get up and ask that elderly person to sit down. You must show some respect, some regard, some respect. Some respect. How will you feel? People that you are old enough to beat their father insulting you for what? Am I the one they are paying your allocation to? No. Am I the one that's supposed to tie your road? No. Am I the one that's supposed to give you light? No. I'm individual. I'm a king. I'm not the one selling oil here. They are even paying me. I'm not the one calling the shot. So nobody have right to be insulting the traditional ruler. Nobody have that right. I blame Obaseki for this nonsense. Hello. Otana Koyo Buta. Koyo. Koyo. Go ahead, sister.
This act of Biafra, because what they try to do, they try to bring devotion for like unity.
Oh, I lost that sister. My sister is like I lost. You can call back, please. You can call back. The last sister that just called. So you see all these things, these boys, the way that boy we are talking, you will know. You will know. This is how these people talk to people. This is how these animals talk to their elders. That's the reason why the fool, the stupid boy is in jail and nobody give a shit about him. You are in a country, all elders are just wicked. All elders are bad. All the governors in their land are bad. These ones that were celebrating their father's burial, people were enjoying, they are bad. They are bad. Not everybody will support this nonsense. The nonsense the kids coming out insulting, no respect again. What kind of life is that? Can anybody, no matter what happened in England, any boy, you will come out and be insulting the queen like that? To learn to respect, that it is we want to about respect. The European cannot challenge us when it comes to respect. Now you are not even behaving like the Europeans. I don't know where you get this character from. We are the Edos. We are not Biafra. We are not Igbo. We don't reason like the Igbo. We are not Igbos. We are the Esan. We are the Robos. Respect is very important in that part of the world. All these people, no way. What is going on? See the way they are talking, you will know. This talking about King or Giso, whatever. What kind of stupid talk is that? Talking like animal, talking like Igbos. Not all Igbos, the Apple pigs. Sister, are you there?
Yes, so
Go ahead.
because
Go ahead,
of
sister.
so what I try to say, you see these Igbo people, all their plan e no go work
Never.
because they have tried everywhere. They try Yoruba, they cause Yoruba, cause. Now they divert to Fulani. Now they want to divert to Benin, e no go happen, and they go suffer am. All these things wey dem dey do, all the confusion wey dem say dem wan try make dem put for Benin, na that 5 states na Igbo go get confusion. And the calamity no go finish for that Igbo state. Make dem go mark the day wey dem started putting Benin in their bracket, how their life be till today. And all the things wey dem dey plan make dem do, since dem no dey respect their elder, dem want to bring it to Benin because these people are so jealous. They are full of jealous. They no get king, they no get anything. If you ask them, olden days, who dey rule them, they cannot answer. They are just be jealous. I don't know wetin dem dey jealous for. They say na they get heaven and earth, na they get this. See, they are jealousy us. I don't know. You understand? Okay, like those our people wey dem dey use, e no be their fault because if I come look, e no be their fault at all. You see those criminal wey dey thief.
We lost that sister again. You see, the truth is always the truth. The truth is always, I have some faults with my set here. The truth is always the truth. And again, let me continue. You know, some of these people, you don't know if they are really from Benin. What I stand for here, what I'm saying, no matter what, there are limits in the way you put things, the way you say things. This is a king. I have not seen, as far as I'm concerned, there is no traditional ruler in Nigeria. No traditional ruler that can compare with the Oba, the great Oba of Benin. We have traditional rulers in the north, swimming with oil money, getting from our land. There are people who don't even insult them. One nitwit, that one animal come because you associate yourself with Onyamiri Igbos. You are going to go down with them like them. What kind of nonsense talk is that? That's nonsense. You have to show some respect. If the governor, even though I keep saying it, I even tell them sometimes, don't even criticize governor in my land. I'm the one to criticize the governor. But governor is fucking up. My responsibility to say, governor, you are fucking up. So let us play something from Oguname.
Why they not go bring am back, sir? I bet me they not bring am. We don't need all this kind of thing for our land again. So because of that one, you they unconsciously they try one sabotage anything for grow and everything. But those are separate topic. But that is mother presence becomes something where be say he want to immortalize her in a way that our face will become what your word we always see. Our history will become waiting all humans on earth to know, and he succeeded. He succeeded. What he did, he called this word is always difficult for me to pronounce. He called we go promote our culture. Your soul is being poisoned. You are being brainwashed. Meanwhile, they say you when the mumu do this one, if you go Israel, Jesus will anybody not get proof of. Where they claim say they bury him, that site, now still sacred place where everybody for the world they come, they watch it.
This is, I don't know the video I'm looking for. It's coming.
All the story of Jesus. You carry it to us because the claim was coming from Ikoba. So you say to Benin, Benin Kingdom is now a trademark. Now what's the breaking news now? No, that's the breaking news now. That is the breaking news now. That make people like us not the support separation of Nigeria because what's the day now? about whether we dey sleep or we dey awake. Since when you care? You don't sit down and analyze if you carry Jesus for head like load. That don't automatically mean say that the spirit get your soul. You just dey use them because you never claim your own national. Wake up, and the more that they wake up, the more they go they unsubscribe your eyes, except you change your character. If you want to promote only bad thing, the more they go they know say no, my tradition, my culture, Obama, my gavedo. Okay, we focus on our life. That time you go there left alone. No worry, now process us wegbe now. So when you stay your lane, you be blogger, blog wetin good. No put our Oba picture for any of your topic. If we see her again, you go receive legal notification. Now that time you know say we serious. As letter they reach you from lawyers for Nigeria and abroad where you there, now so spiritually the spirits of our ancestors go see they track you. Because we want they take una serious now. We never felt they take una serious. Plus those who still the open organization with a donor like that Mumu rest. I say when I go do a Edo festival, I don't call her just now, you know, pick her, leave comment for her. Una know wetin dey behind person back when they make person talk very soon. Una go know wetin really dey, because una never understand. How you Mumu boy say you want go host a Edo festival for London? And they say you never use your platform to promote us. Since we dey cry now, ordinary return Benin artifact, you never even write time for your status, but you want to find you dey wear Edo shirt, want go do Edo festival for London. The same way the way you never come and one day go protest. All those nonsense must stop now. That time don't come. Benin, Great Benin Kingdom is now a trademark. Now wetin be the breaking news now? Great Benin Kingdom is now a trademark. If you want to use that name, you need authorization. Anything you want to do, we go approve them. As you did, I know for your career, you put our Oba picture anymore for your blog and Naija Watch. If you don't know, may you know. Now, if you think say na joke, try out tomorrow. You'll see what you go to follow up with you from tomorrow. And that time you know, say we know the joke. We don't want to see her again. You hear? We don't want to see her again. If you want to write anything, you are fair as a blogger to express yourself. Say you come put our Oba picture. Come put Obaseki with the big head. Come put this our picture. You they fall our hand. We don't want to see those nonsense again. Since not be say you they talk better thing. Since not be say you they promote our culture. Don't try it again. If you think say na your Oguname they talk, may you do am. That time you know say not be just Oguname na him dey talk. You know say something dey wey dey back of Oguname wey dey make Oguname dey power every day. You go know because we wan take all of una serious. No matter it back come Edo Wayazola come. No matter who say Edo Wayazola come. They say traditional ruler wey dey blame for all una problem. Now the same traditional ruler wey no dey in charge of anything. Una mumu vote for governor. Una mumu vote for president. Una mumu vote for una politician. Una no dey fit talk to them.
I don't tire for these animals. So. No, we can't. Still say they get. And they blame somebody we not they rule you. You vote for person who you vote for, you not fit criticize them. Who they supposed build road for you? You live and go they attack somebody where not being supposed build road for you. You don't know as they do them. You know, not being that they control here, not being they control whatever. You know they control anything there. Another artifact where they bring now. If they tell us I can leave and make a do them, now here they carry them. You say no agree. To the end say you have to call the federal government. Oh yeah, all this thing first. Later we'll decide where I will put them. Everybody come on here, do the insult traditional ruler ever since he not the Kanu and his IPOB monkeys who will suppose they go rot in jail. That's about they must rot in jail. That's the truth. Now they make me the best for this whole thing. Why can't I where to cry? Where not to cry? You leave your Southeast governors who supposed to build you road and Buhari. Buhari they federal. You don't go there forever. You don't go there forever now. When you start this nonsense during this Owazurike start this Biafra nonsense, Obasanjo finish them up. Who cry? Who not talk? The people who Obasanjo when they I won't say Obasanjo direct. When Obasanjo was the president, the people when they kill that time Owazurike, you don't reach the one way you don't die now. Most of the people who don't die now I put the kill their own fellow Igbo now. Why they don't cry Obasanjo name? When Jonathan did, how many they kill? Why they don't cry Jonathan name? Na Buhari because na Fulani. Before na Yoruba. Yoruba, you saw Yoruba. Yoruba's a traitor. Where anywhere Yoruba church today, no go. Now it was later they say Yoruba now our people. What kind of animals be these people? Now these people you say you call your friend, you go down like them. How can people where you support cry, you know they cry, you know they cry for you vote for Baseki. They you say they share money. The money for allocation, the tell us where they give them. Not be they with, make it build road for you, make it build work for you now. That rubbish, it don't just they make me the vex. Only person when you support attack say do government, you blame Obama support where. Obama so yeah wa me Latian. Hey, Fulani, what you concern Fulani here? Is the king himself? Do wawa Latian, wawa de bayani. Why Ladian? Why do I use this style? All of them using style because these animals, where they do their stupid saga on this one and all of them want put now fuck him out. Now go do na stupid saga, illiterate fools, animals. All of now you guys are useless. Anybody that share all these videos of these people will say they saw their papa, they saw their mama do with what they call saga. When others are talking about governance, you are promoting them now. I don't have it. They still put their mouth. Fulani. If you don't know anything, you keep your mouth shut. It is the appellants that say the federal. It's not Fulani. It is the federal government. But it's not going to be there forever. Why it's the federal. Fulani. Not be Fulani buy the car when they chop for Igbo land few days ago. Wow. Every small thing, you just boom up. All these people now, like this one when they talk about, they just want to insult if Papa. If not, I don't see any reason. Can I come on air now? They say Fulani. I know what's up. It is the king that has the federal. Fulani. It's not about Fulani. It's the federal. But they have less than 1 year and 7 months. No, 1 year and 7 months. Federal government continue. You not be one man, not be in brother, you want put there. He come do him, make come out. The things are Fulani. Fulani bad. You bad. Who no bad? Attack people where attack you. That one, I understand that one. When I know say na the king, I say, let the federal government hold on. Then where do I so ye Fulani? Where do my ugunu? If you don't know it, keep quiet. Because if you want, just come insult your papa. Like now when they give you a phone, when I dey Europe, nobody would not feel insult. Now here you insult your father. Some people insult their fathers. Come on here, insult their fathers. Even in fact their husband, they insult their fathers. Animals. These are the people they say the nice freedom that they fight. Freedom. Why, man? I believe in respect. You must respect elders, good or bad. You can disrespect elders, not the elder will not. Disrespect elders. Now you want to give you chop. A lot then the traditional is the only traditional in Nigeria. I also get traditional ruler where they paid money, where the money where traditional for south, traditional ruler for north they receive ×2. Am I yo? When you get kidnapped over the north, they never insult the traditional ruler for them. They get federal government and state government will go solve insecurity problem. No be him. When you give person the power, now you be the commander in chief now. Now you go control police. Then you blame him. Blame me. That's so that the traditional ruler not the Bonu. Bonu say they have traditional ruler. Kaduna they have traditional ruler. Every day they kidnap people there. Come and be in charge. They even kidnapped traditional ruler himself. The man was even crying that day. That you insulting the king for. He's not the one to give you roads. No rubbish on it.
No matter Edo Wayazola come. No matter who say Edo Wayazola come. They say traditional ruler one they blame for all our problem. Now the same traditional ruler we not dey in charge of anything.
Tire.
Una move vote for governor. Una move vote for president. Una move vote for una politician. una no dey fit talk to them. If una get any problem, ọba gbẹ̀lú wàyà wọn.
Ní adé ìwú bá gbọ́.
This wàhùwà ẹ̀ ti ẹ̀wẹ̀wẹ̀ that una match una take dey talk am na e go kill all of una.
Staya.
Na e go kill all of una. How much dem come pay you?
Who never bath?
How much?
Who never bath? Oba. Who never sleep? Oba. Who no fit walk? Oba. Who no get house? Oba. No, now back you tie road. I mean, they tell you say now they control the oil for Nigeria. Now they collect us money for Benin. All the time where market women they pay. Now they give. Now but they give. Oba. The other one will come the other day. Oba say my land. Oba say your land. Oba. What if you are reading live in social media? Oba say my land. Oba say your land. Oba. Now can you to do a community that community sell lands? No, Oba. People they come on, they lie, they say all kinds of things for viewers, for comment for viewers. You can only be recognized when you stand for the ways of the truth. You can only be recognized. These are the people, this monkey in said, these are the people. He's the one who write their name out that they say, make the people they listen to these animals. Hello?
Hello.
What's my call? Even a set may even some little problem. I have to walk back. Go here.
Okay.
Exactly.
Out of jealousy.
I know.
Jealousy.
You're right. Only the na the can we the only the one. Only the daddy one. Only the arena.
Fulani, who tell you?
Fulani.
We trust this Fulani man pass our Momo criminal brother wey be wan scam us.
Exactly.
That's the breaking news now.
Exactly.
That's the breaking news now. Now make people like us not the support separation of Nigeria because the way some of our people might take dark, the way take dark, even worse past those strangers who we all dey look as threats. Now be the secret now. So we not there for that nonsense blame games. We dey follow people wey respect us, even if say be Somalia, even if say be Kenya, even if say be Eritrea. As far as you ready respect us as normal human being,
that's all.
We go love you, we go follow you. Ancient Great Benin Kingdom, we are very welcoming.
We don't know, my brother.
We are very welcoming. Our society was full of random people. Many of una so when they call yourself Oviedo, una no know na story. Many of you, your grandfather.
Every time, this one who no bath, he will come over. Oba. Man now. Oh, to obey you, man. No fit chop Oba. This one come Oba. Now you vote for governor. This idiot now, now you campaign for governor. He can give you job now. The money where they pay him, the security for now that they give, all the tax where they collect for Uromi, all this land, una market, all the tax where people they pay, all they come to governor and all the money where they pay for tax for all the market where they for Anshi, they go for governor and not be your bad all the tax where they pay for all those market, everything, stores, all of them they go to governor. Some people, some stupid people now. When I say all the money, because I want to break them down. When I say all the stores, all the market tax where women they play, man and woman they pay for market for the whole lease and land. Say they go governor. Some people go foolish now say no. Now you go first of all reach your local chairman. I saw they will cut and go. All of them and governor office, all of them they go. Everything they go governor hand. Everything they go governor hand. Not be Oba they go. You know they collect any tax for anybody. If collect no tax, no they collect for nobody. Or na governor all you deal with. The allocation when they carry, na governor, now you deal with, now you vote for. Now you go do, go ask him why they do the money. Okay, you get traditional ruler for Anshi, for Isa. Why they blame the traditional ruler for Edo South? Now see you get a nogi there. Now so in there. Just like you're a nogi, you're not even supposed to blame her. You're nogi, they don't they give him the salary that they pay him. As a traditional ruler, they don't come out every power from their hand. No, so we not can because not can brainwash all of them. We are not saying this because we are it is our Oba. If not like Uromi now, you know Jofi Uromi, the same thing we go tell you because I got my kweku. But they don't now go tell you. But if you insult person will not do you anything. Me, if I hear them, I go tell you. This is no gay of Uromi where you insult. Not being go tie road for you. You don't get the power. You don't get the where you want to see the money. May go sell a house tie road for you. Not be the chop government one. I go say tell you this not the bad because is the king in Benin. It's the truth. What are you waiting for? Because Igboman say what? IPOB, he go remain buried. I don't know. I'll play video later now. In fact, make we leave this one. Say, mo go there, mo enter their matter. Mo enter this IPOB, Igbo, Hunyamiri matter. If you think you know the kind of coming out, who me now? You dey dream. Who me now? Now they can all at you. Walking where? I be me something. Because if you see the way the animal, maybe there's something you don't understand. A lot of bloggers these days, change story. You know why I support this our brother? He's right. He's right. You know, our federal government or take possession of Benin artifacts. We're not what you take possession, or see Ute agun ayo te mo phone do agun anyhow do azuo or you can do my we. If you don't know, you come out your mouth. When me see him, because you read Nigeria, when I see him, the federal government will take possession of Benin Bronze. I say, no. To my mind, no. Baba, I could, Governor Uncle, I get away, yes, the Edo monarch, or time a federal government or Gina, where a governor, Bassi, working and I, Wogogirano, federal government dying there. Unfortunately, man, you get it, and I will support because to start with, on I federal government, on I state government, I have you gonna moon no ya no ekino ya ngina. Am I go ya? Woman I me or Benin artifact nana. Governor no fit tie road again. Na Benin artifact na governor take tie road. Na here governor want play politics. Look, this one not be governor matter at all. This one a traditional matter, traditional and cultural matter. Now be this. Oba must have a say here. Oba must have a say. Can this happen in even in Yoruba land? Can they drag the name of the king like this for social media, for news, for Nigeria? It is already Arise News channel that the state government. Imagine the disrespect that the state government is fighting the Oba Benin over the Benin artifact. You can have your Agbina, yo, don't Benin, Edo, or an governor, Edo, Oba, the weird of your Ovima, the governor now in the federal government, I will in the federal government, about blame Yoni. A governor by Imiona, a Gisupo, Edo, a Gisuania, Yatamata, a Gisuponia, when a Suponia, artifact is no longer coming. Governor Baseki, not tie road again, no tie road. Go fight the federal government, carry and go court, go na your papa home. This whole thing is nonsense. Absolutely nonsense. All these Onyamiri Igbos now, all of them now. I see them, I say, look at these animals. The more you create enemy for yourself, the more you bury yourself. You bury yourself already. You're in a kind went to Kenya to go and buy ammunition with HBIs. Get ammunition now. In fact, my great prof of those states, let's leave our matter. Make we dig deep, enter their matter small. We need to enter their matter. Because some of you don't really know. Look, in life, you're supposed to choose the path you follow. There's nothing wrong if you choose the wrong path. But what matters, what makes you a man, is to retrace and say, okay, you know what, this path I'm taking now, it will lead me to destruction, and turn around. It is only the fools who will remain in that path till they die. So the IPOB is like the path, like the group, all those people following them who want to die foolish. Now, I want to play you a video from our Baba Ike Clark. Baba Ike Clark, when he talk about this IPOB Onyamiri matter. So they talk about Niger Delta there. See, they want to collect Niger Delta South join their nonsense. So make we just use our Baba video, Ike Clark, Chief Edwin Ike Clark, to enter their matter. Now,
when this war was
they
fought,
ask him,
I told the IPOB,
What do you think about IPOB, their leader, and their agitation to come up from Nigeria?
to come up for
they are very unrealistic.
unrealistic.
They are not the IPOB to me.
This is Chief
What do you think?
Edwin Ike Clark. What do you think about the IPOB? They are very unrealistic. I know what that one mean, unrealistic.
IPOB, their leader, and their agitation to come up from Nigeria.
They are very unrealistic. About
Yes,
it.
so
They are not the IPOB to me. Is not pursuing the right thing. When this war was fought, I told the IPOB leader, he was not born at the time.
you were not born there.
You don't meet Nnamdi Kanu before?
I've never met him, but I've challenged him, and he has also challenged me that I was a slave of the North. That's why he branded me.
Yeah.
I told him, he has a good fight, that we are being neglected. The youths of the East have been neglected. The people of the East have been neglected. They have only 5 seats, whereas other regions have 6. One, in fact, had 7. Based on what? Nobody knows. So for every appointment that's been made in this country, the Igbos have to change.
And the 5 states, they are talking about.
If you have,
Their 5 states is like a do and data. It's like Anushi is a state. Esaland is a state. There's a small place. They are giving them allocation. What have they done with that? What have they done with that? All these allocation, 1 tribe, 5 governors. What have they done with it? That is the 6th state now. Look, they can fight for their fucking 6th state. We are fighting for destruction in here. Fight for your 6th state.
they complain, but not the way they are going about it.
So you don't think, say, the South, they part of that map?
For
Because
me,
this
They
is
don't
something we
use
talk
that-
over and over
Those
again.
are useless.
So if they come out,
useless
That-
talk.
Delta, they part of Biafra.
How can Delta be part of Biafra?
Attire.
In what way?
In what way?
Is Biafra older than Delta?
Attire for this
Are
man.
they bigger than Delta?
Wait.
How can River State
Baba,
become part of
we don't let this
Biafra?
we don't let these animals know. Biafra will. Biafra bigger, older than Niger Delta. They declare Niger Delta before they are stupid. Biafra.
Akwa Ibom.
They declare Niger Delta before they are stupid. Biafra.
For every appointment that's been made in this country,
Impossible. And they know it. So that is the part I love here. Then before we go to another.
universities and per state,
The part
they
I
will
love.
have 5 states. But the Igbos formed the 3rd leg of this country when this country was created. So they had a good fight, they have a good problem. They complain. but not the way they're going about it.
So you don't think, say, the South, they part of that map? Because this is something they talk over and over again. Say if they come
useless talk.
Delta, they part of Biafra.
How can Delta be part of Biafra? In what way?
I don't know.
Is Biafra older than Delta? Are they bigger than Delta? How can Rivers State become part of
Rivers?
Biafra?
Never.
No. Or Akwa Ibom.
Akwa Ibom. Part of
They are dreaming.
They are dreaming.
Thinking about the eastern region of those days.
Igbo no nyamiri. When they hear this one, I know by tomorrow now, well, this interview is about 3 hours ago. I know tomorrow now, Ike Clark, Solani, Igbo no nyamiri. Go and mark it. Tomorrow now with this video, they will finish Ike Clark. Fulani Chanja, Fulani slave, Fulani of level. Igbo no nyamiri. They are dreaming.
That was we have 6.
They are dreaming. How can they say river is part of the Biafra? How can they even Akwa Ibom? We are not even talking about we are not talking about one data. How can they say they are dreaming? I watched this interview, like, I laugh. They already there. They are about 1,400 comments now. Igbo no nyamiri.
How can Delta be part of Biafra? In what way?
I don't know. In what way?
Is Biafra older than Delta? Are they bigger than Delta? How can Rivers State become part of Biafra? No. Or Akwa Ibom. They are dreaming, thinking about the eastern region of those days.
In those days, listen,
the independent.
Listen, what they need, what they think. This man understand everything. They are, this not all Igbos, normal Igbos. They think about like their eastern, I keep saying it here. Like Oyibo, they ate Oyibo for creating Nigeria. But they love Oyibo. They love Oyibo for creating eastern region for them, where they have Akwa Ibom, River State, a state they can use, people they can enslave with their number because they have the population. They hate Nigeria, but they love the eastern region, the one Oyibo create for them, because to them, if they have the number, they are going to be in charge. That is what this man is saying. They're dreaming, this their whole eastern thing, the eastern region, the one Oyibo create for them. Time have changed. The people will choose and rule their destiny now. Oh, try. That is what I've been saying here. I said they hate Nigeria, but they love East. That's why they keep telling you this one was part of Southeast. The other one, they keep telling you it's part of Southeast. You ask them, what is the meaning of your Southeast? Is Southeast Igbo name? Since you don't understand South, is Southeast Igbo name now? Is Southeast Igbo name? You understand? Not listen. Listen. Wait. This animal, they understand northeast, just northeast. They understand northeast. They understand northwest. They understand northwest. Okay, two names: northwest, northeast. They understand middle belt. They still understand middle belt. They didn't tell you what is the meaning of middle belt. They understand southwest, southwest. They understand. They understand southeast. east, they understand. When you say south, they begin to cry. Yeah, because we don't have right to stand. They are worse than Fulani. They are worse than Fulani. When they were demarcating these things, it is their own Igbo brother who suggested it and said the way it is now. Now that the southwest is for Yorubas alone, let the southeast be the Igbos alone. Other region, other state that don't want to be part of southeast, they can carry the name south, just like southwest. Just a name. South, everything is about south and north. But to know the part you are from, they say southwest, southeast, north, northeast, northwest, north central. That's the middle belt. Igbos understand this name except we. Now we go humble them. Now we go humble them. If you see this man now, let me play it.
Fair and decent trial, open trial.
We'll give him open
No. All Akwa Ibom. In what way? Is Biafra older than Delta?
No.
Are they bigger than Delta?
No.
How can River State become part of Biafra? No. All Akwa Ibom. They are dreaming. Thinking about the
old Eastern region where they control every year. Independent time.
States were created.
Egba.
So, he's a young man.
Look, Oga.
Let me say this.
Oga. Egba. And they know it. When people that this is not about Fulani. Fulani is the president now. That's the Buhari come out for power. Who give a shit about Fulani? When Jonathan was there, it's about Jonathan Ijo. Bassey was there, it's about Yoruba, Obasanjo. For another person takes over now, that's it. The next man, the next president is also the commander-in-chief. No matter what you do, he is the president. No matter what you do, you must always remember, he is the president. We must decide our destiny. Igbo cannot do that for us. Let me play you one video of this lady. This video of this lady coming here talking nonsense. Data. Never. That's the reason why Chief Edwin Ike Clark said they are dreaming. Really, they are dreaming. They dreaming for them to think this is what Oyibo created will repeat. Now wait, they know now. Let me play you this video. You see, they are making videos now, shouting, insulting that their brother that just buried the mother because that one don't give a shit. Because you don't give a shit. Let me play you this video from this girl. Them demo.
For those of you that want to join me, please, I want to ask some questions.
This is about them and them. Because some are not happy because
Cubana, attacking Cubana with Biafra issue, attacking Cubana that Cubana did this, Cubana did that. Because I'm John. Why do you guys love poverty?
Okay.
Bruno, did anybody curse you all?
Of course.
And those of you that bring in Biafra to attach with Nhemereni, Bruno, Bruno that you guys will never see anything good and appreciate it. Or Cubana Biafra Abiala. Is it Cubana that is holding Biafra? That Biafra Gabia. Why are you guys cursed naturally? Why are you cursed soon? That you guys will never see anything good and appreciate it. Now, if you guys have started calling Cubana chief priest,
somebody to me, they said, wait, keep quiet.
You guys,
they said, what did I have to say? Because some people are kind of criticizing the burial. To me, I said, wait. The way they were flaunting money is not good. It's not good. If it's Europe here, police must knock at your door. It's not good. Like, it's not that good. But as long the money is legit, It's not like, if it is blood money, I don't know. I don't care. Not my money. It's not my money. That's God. But it is genuine money. God, they said he's a millionaire. If it is genuine money, then to me, I don't see anything wrong in it. But like all the way that we explain the money is not good for it. Like if it is Europe, Western world, police must not, police. Okay, what about Nigerian police? Nigerian police, DSS was there. It is the DSS that's supposed to caution these people and say, you know what? You don't suppose. You can spray money. People spray money in Nigeria, nothing wrong. But the way you guys are doing this is kind of, it's not that good. Me, I don't see anything. I'm just saying like, it's on the news that the government want to like arrest the man or question the man. I don't know. Is it no, government affair is in its own part. There was police there supposed to, like this place now. In this place, if you carry a huge, they deport one Edo guy, a musician, who went, I think, to Switzerland to perform. He was living in Italy here. He traveled to Swiss to perform. And the money, and they have no document like that. And they sprayed him $1, you know, they spray $1 to $2, $5 here. So the money was so, then he packed everything, you know, lock it in his traveling bag. You know, $1 now, it will not be more than like 6,000, 4,000 euro or 3,000 euro, you know. So he said he couldn't count it because he have to rush back here for another, you know, he have to play in another stage, you know. So he packed everything on a traveling bag. At the airport, they opened the traveling bag, they realized it was money. They asked him, where did you get this $1? He said, he's a musician. I went to a concert and they sprayed me with this money. I couldn't fold it well now. I said, if I get home, I will fold everything well. That's it. He was arrested after spending 2-3 months fighting it with a lawyer. He was detained. They freed him. They said he should appear, you know, in court. After 3-4 months, and he was deported. That's it. But he was deported. So in Europe, yeah, they don't play with money like that. So in Nigeria, to me, as long as the money is genuine, you know, it's not blood money. Even if it is blood money, I'm not there. It's his money. If you investigate that guy and his hand is clean, I don't see anything wrong there. So these Igbo monkeys, these IPOB monkeys, because what happened was a shame to them, a big shame to them. This foolish boy now, they come into detention, and people are just grooving their life. They are grooving, they are bubbling, they are enjoying their life. You understand me? They don't give a shit about that monkey, Lena Dikan. So he attracts some jealousy. They started, you know, attacking the guy. Look, Igbo, I saw them escorting cows. Over 100 to 200, I don't know, cows, 200 cows. The same Fulani, the same cow in Adikano have been telling them to ban never to use Fulani cow. They were enjoying themselves. And Adikano is not coming back, it's not coming back. They were enjoying themselves. So that is the reason why this little girl is making this video, trying to, you can advise your people. Most of your people are born stupid. So
on a problem. You guys want to go and solve it and leave the young man to bury the mother. For crying out loud, you guys are useless. Useless set of people or whatever you called yourself. What are you doing in Israel? Young man, a miserable man, what are you doing in Israel? Can't you go home and hustle like Kubana, Obi, and the chief priest?
No, not just to go.
And bring the Biafra you're talking about.
No, not just to go, man. Also, that boy home, you can't do that with also. You must be blessed. That kind of guy. Yeah, I don't think Gozo can give you. Gozo can give you good house, good car, you know, some little investment. You must be blessed because with what I'm saying. You must be like blessed before you can do that. Like where others go to look for contract or help, they will drive them. But when you come, there must be that star. People will always for you to make that kind of money. This is not what you do with the hustling. You should have told that boy in Israel, I know the boy you are talking about. Let him come home and fight for the Biafra, not making videos there. If you love the Biafra, come and fight for the Biafra. It this show that not every Igbo have time for that nonsense. Biafra is dead and buried with the criminal Ojukwu. You guys are just fooling yourself, brainwashing yourself, talking about Biafra that will never come. They were talking about the in-law, they're talking about his lawyer. His lawyer telling us that he went there to pick somebody from underground. That the Kanu is another man country picking people from underground. And they said the time they were beating him, he said they were thinking he is working for El Shabaab. Now the Kanu will tell us the real truth. The real truth. The reason why he said, look at what the lawyer said. That Nnamdi Kanu was sick. Have heart problem. Nnamdi Kanu cannot go to hospital. In UK, they have to travel. Does that make sense? You think this man? Look at how I'm afraid if I don't want to show it. If the way they were look, if Facebook will allow me, I don't know. Let me see if I can. Facebook will allow me. How they were dragging meat. Look, I don't know because blood. It's about blood, whatever. Dragging meat. Dragging meat to Fulani meat. Fulani bad, Fulani bad, Fulani bad. You think everybody have time for this Biafran nonsense? Let me play this. The mindset of this.
Bigger, yeah, because we like to compete.
Yes. It goes that way. So it pushes many Igbo people to...
These Igbos that live outside the country, who they know the truth, they want people they are going to sacrifice for this their Biafra that will never come.
He said,
look at this guy.
He talked about like sustainable program, like building power plants and all that.
Yeah.
If people can come together and contribute.
Look at this guy. And I like the way this lady answered him. I like the way this lady answered that guy. Because the truth is the truth.
You know, we always compete to be better and outshine.
I like people that stand for the truth. Because in Nnamdi Kanu's station now, they are looking for people that are going to sacrifice for nothing. And we are here. We will not allow that to happen. Nnamdi Kanu's stupid brother, he's saying now, he will not go to the court. That Nnamdi Kanu preach peace. Peace? Peace? No. Peace? Can Nnamdi Kanu spell peace? The only way Nnamdi Kanu will have peace is 6 feet under. That's where he will rest in peace, not here. And now, that is what you forgive people. Nnamdi Kanu, no?
It's not out there for the public.
Yeah.
They throw money on,
Nnamdi Kanu must pay for his crime. That's it. Look at how he brainwashing our people. They have no respect for their elders anymore. How can somebody just get up insulting people, a king or elderly person? That's old enough old enough to be your father. And the person you are insulting now is not the reason why you don't have light. You know the reason. Even though they give your governor you voted for, they give him money to do light for you, and he's giving it to me. You don't have right to be insulting me. You go insult your governor. So who is giving me the money? It is him that you voted for. Talk less of not that he's accusing people that they are telling him to share allocation money, or maybe he's giving it to people. You are insulting somebody you don't supposed to insult. We will not tolerate that nonsense.
Who cannot use their own brain? You will know that what man Nnamdi Kanu is doing.
The problem is special to the people. When he was threatening your bill for nature, he wasn't really going to have a people.
Broken the law. Trying to arrest that situation and salvage it.
Who are not supporting IPOP. You see, this is how criminality is manifesting it. Which I know it will never happen. Then it means we will be living in a land of miscreants. Any single thing. She said somebody, there are people that once someone mentioned the name of God, we lose our senses. And this one, okay, is unlike to sing my favorite song. This is if we get to this level, that sometimes I cry. I'm even in Yoruba, but I just
You can go ahead. Somebody is calling into the program. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, just wrap up.
So looking.
Yeah, it's not high society, like, to say, if I had the opportunity, I would kill, and not be condemned from inside. We said our position, so that before you can, I hope you enjoy your meal. All of them that are supportive can go and, you are saying a bit.
Criminal people. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Good evening.
Good evening. You're welcome. Please, speak up quickly. A lot of people are calling. So
okay, I'm calling from India.
Okay.
I want to contribute to issue about the Cubana. Let me just say, people would like to jump into conclusion. When it comes to that man, I have a person who is very close to him here in India. Like a very person.
Oh, Mr. Spencer, just give this call a little bit. You can call in later, yeah. Yeah, you can go ahead. I'm listening. You just take it up, yeah.
Okay, that man has helped a lot of people.
Okay.
In the village, he has helped a lot of people. To people he gave scholarship who are going to school. People he sponsor in businesses, in different businesses. Because it's not criminal to start blowing trumpets, telling everybody what you are doing in our back. Does not mean that you are doing a legit business. People are comparing with hot potting. He has a lot of business in Nigeria. He has the investment in Lagos, Enugu, Port Harcourt, Abuja. So he has legit business he's doing. He cannot control people. People that came to Oba yesterday, it's people he helped. And their business grow. And then they came that to show, how do I say, to honor him. If they are throwing money up and down, does not mean that probably there are a lot of people in Nigeria. Even if I go to the Yoruba party, they spray money, they throw money. Like when you come to Igbo people start to paint Igbos black and blue, Igbos are this thing. It's not like that. It's not so. They should try and make that man out what he's doing, his business in Nigeria. He has business all over Nigeria. He has hotels, restaurants, bars in Nigeria. When people are struggling, people don't used to complain. When people are going to poverty, don't complain. But when you start making money, having a good life, people start to complain. I used to not block money.
Okay, thank you so much. I got where you're coming from. You are like.
It's an Igbo.
Yeah.
All this Igbo man, Igbo.
Yeah.
It's a problem in Nigeria.
Yeah.
It's not so.
Okay, thank you so much.
Believe me, what he's doing is wrong. The way he's taking the Biafra is wrong. I am saying that with you. I love program, but we have to engage. So the way we are taking the IPOP thing is kind of making money from people. That is wrong. If you have friends here who are members of IPOP here, I tell them that this way people are going is the wrong way. You see people into any it's not good. Criminal people. Because the flying people came to attack people, so they came to do this. Whereas the whole thing, there's not been any plan attack in East. I will never hear of any plan killing people, attacking people. So when you look at it, it's like the conspiracy.
Yeah.
They are actually the one doing the underground work.
Yeah.
So I don't support those partners fighting for freedom.
What that his agenda is separate. When has he submitted himself to a town hall meeting?
Okay.
Let them bring a proof